MySQL. It is free and open source database management system. Individual and person-wise database creations. How to download, install, explain. Browser open. Google search box lo MySQL download, enter key press. Official link first section lo display mysql.com. MySQL downloads. First link mouse left click. MySQL official web interface completely display. MySQL.com. Second one downloads. Second option mouse left click. Mouse scroll down. Left side contact sales. Right side MySQL community GPL downloads. Option mouse left click. MySQL community downloads lo first section lo packages and second section lo languages. Bottom side MySQL installer for Windows. Option mouse left click. MySQL installer section lo two options display cheytadi. Mouse scroll down. Select version. Latest version 8.0.39. Select operating system. Default ga Microsoft Windows detect ayi display cheytadi. Two options display cheytadi. First one Windows x86 32-bit related MSI Microsoft installer. MySQL installer web community related installer. Second one Windows x86 32-bit MSI installer. File size 303.6 MB. Downloads mouse left click. Left side bottom section lo no thanks, just start my downloads, mouse left click. Downloads section lo MySQL installer community latest version 8.0.390 MSI.exe set of file downloading process start. File size 304 MB. Wait and here few minutes. Completed. Next step installation setup. Browser minimize. File explorer document open. Downloads folder lo MySQL installer exe set of file display cheytadi. Mouse right click. First option install. Mouse left click. Open file security warning window lo first button run. Mouse left click. Windows installer preparing to install. First button yes. Mouse left click. Yes. Mouse left click. MySQL installer 1.6. Downloads folder minimize. MySQL installer window lo choose a setup type. Four options display. Last one custom. Circle lo mouse left click. Next button mouse left click. Select products. Available products. First one MySQL server. Expand. Left side plus icon. Mouse left click. Again mouse left click. Again mouse left click. Fourth option MySQL server latest version 8.0.39 x64-bit. Mouse left click. Middle lo first one button green color. Mouse left click. Right side top lo product to installed. Selected option. Second option applications. Left side expands. Mouse left click. First one MySQL Workbench. Expanded plus icon. Mouse left click. Third one plus icon. Re-click. MySQL Workbench version 8.0.38 x 64-bit related option. Mouse left click. Select green color button. Mouse left click. MySQL shell. Left side plus expanded icon. Mouse left click. Next MySQL shell 8.0 expanded icon. Mouse left click. Third one MySQL shell option. Mouse left click. Green color button. Mouse left click. Selecting process completed. Second button. Next mouse left click. The following products will be installed. 3 selected products. Second button executive. Mouse left click. Installation process start. Wait and hear few minutes. First one complete. Second one complete. Third one completed process. Second button. Next click. Mouse left click. Ready to configure. first button. Next, mouse left click. Configuring type development computer and connectivity lo port number 3306 displays. Protocol port 33060. First button. Next click. Authentication method section lo second one. Next button, mouse left click. First option, MySQL. Root password anyone password enter. As it is same, second box lo re-enter. Mouse left click. Second one, next click. Mouse left click. Configure MySQL server as Windows server. Default set. Second one, next button, mouse left click and next click. Server file permissions. Next click. Mouse left click. Apply configuration. Click execute to apply the changes. Configuration steps lo different options ఉంటాయి. Selecting options. Execute. Mouse left click. Process start. Step by step. Finish. Mouse left click. Next click. Finish button. Mouse left click. File Explorer document. Reopen. Left side this PC option. Mouse left click. Local disk C drive. Mouse left click. Program files folder. Double click. Open. MySQL folder. Select. Double click. Open. First one, MySQL server 8.0. Select. Double click. Open. Bin folder. Double click. Open. Top section lo address bar. Mouse left click. Path copy. Mouse right click. Third option, mouse left click. Minimize folder. Windows search box lo edit system environment variables enter. First option, edit the system environment variable. Mouse left click. System properties window lo last one, environment variables button. Mouse left click. Second option, system variables section lo path option. Mouse left click. Select second button, edit. Mouse left click. Right side top lo new button. Mouse left click. Mouse right click. Fourth option, paste. Mouse left click. OK click. OK click and OK click. MySQL installation successfully. Checking process. Windows search box. CMD type. First option, command prompt. Mouse left click. Text command enter. MySQL space -- version. Enter key press. MySQL latest version 8.0.39. Next, enter the password step. MySQL space -u space root space -p. P means password. Enter key press. Enter the password. Display these details. Type to command. Show space databases semicolon. Enter key press. Database 4 rows display. Next command enter. Create database space charitech db semicolon. Enter key press. Query OK. 1 row affected. Sorry. Show space databases semicolon. Enter. Newly created database 5th row charitdb. Window close. Workbench open. Welcome to MySQL Workbench interface. Maximize. Left side MySQL connections. Mouse left click. Password section box lo mouse left click. Enter password. Save password. Unnecessary అయితే tick mark. Remove. OK click. Workbench interface complete గా డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. క్వారీలో డిఫాల్ట్ గా 1 అని డిస్ప్లే. క్రియేటింగ్ ఎనీ పర్సన్ వైజ్ database middle section.